thank you so much for tuning in. It's Jay and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. The video that I'm going to be doing today is a unboxing of my new Rollo printer. If you do not know already, I am an entrepreneur. I have businesses that I run from home, and printing was getting a little crazy with printing labels, so I finally decided to invest in a Rollo printer. I looked up different thermal printers before I decided on this one, and this one stuck out to me the most. It seemed like it was the best bang for my buck. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what's inside the box and also set it up. All right, so inside this box, I have a sheet of 500 labels that I also ordered. And then this is the printer. It says Rollo, no ink, no toners, save you lots of money. On the side, it just says that Rollo is fast, no ink, no toner. It has a patent designs, and it shows you all of the integrations that you can use: PayPal, Shopify, ShipStation, FedEx, etc. And then it just gives you some specifications on the back regarding the printer. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Connection is via USB. You could connect to Windows, Mac, or Linux. Yeah, so let's get this bad boy open. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this integrated with my laptop and see how everything works. So when I open the box, this is how it looks. And it just says a better way to print Rollo. It has this questions or concerns card if you need any help. It also says take advantage of savings today with Rollo. They have their own service where you can print via USPS or UPS on their website. If you order, you'll see that service as well. This printer does 4x6, and just to switch it over when you first get it integrated. And then also I'm seeing this has some alcohol pads, a user guide. So we're gonna get this open so I can know what I'm doing. It came with some free labels, I guess, like to get you started. I'm not sure how many these are, but it came with some labels to get you started. That was nice of them. We also have this, which is I'm assuming is the connector, and it's the power cord to go from the Rollo printer into your wall or your power source. So let's put this to the side, and we have one more cord in here for your printer. And then last but not least, the most exciting part is the Rollo printer in this bag. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was. Like, I knew it was small, but I didn't know it was this small. This is really cute. So this is the Rollo printer. It says Rollo on the top here. This is where your labels come out, and it has like this little sheet in. So yeah, this is the printer. This is how the back looks. It has the power source. Then it also have where you put the power connector in there, and also the other cord that it comes with. So on the side, it has this lever, a blue lever, and that is how you open it, like that. It opens sideways. This is how the Rollo printer looks on the inside. And like I said, you just push this like up. There is a setup video that you can watch on Rollo.com. It's saying that we recommend that you watch this setup, or if you don't want to, I'm assuming you can just read this. But it says that you can create barcodes, labels, shipping labels, name badges, labels of all sizes. Please take a few short moments to review this guide. It will guide you on how to set up your Rollo printer in the way that best suits your needs. Okay, so when you power up your printer, you need to install the Rollo driver onto your computer, and it has both integrations for Windows and Mac, so you can know how to install that to set it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and install this driver onto my computer for a second, and I'll be right back. This is the software that was installed into the computer, and there's step-by-step directions in this guide that tells you, this is just also like more directions to tell you how to do it. There's a sample label on here that they gave us to print, if I can get it pulled up. So this is the sample label that they want us to print. If everything is working properly, it should be green like that. I'm gonna go ahead and click print on this sample label, and it says that if it doesn't automatically change your paper size, you just change it to 4x6 or 100 by 150. So we're just gonna click 4x6, and my printer is already set. I set the thermal to my default instead of my HP. So we're just gonna go ahead and click print and watch what happens. And that is that. It just printed. All right, y'all, it's time for the moment of truth. I have my printer changing the size, getting it ready to go to print my labels, and let's see what happens. Oh my God, it's so fast. Thank God. All right, guys, so I just want to give you all a quick update. It is the next day. I did play around with the printer just a little bit. I ran into an issue to where the labels got stuck, and I'm not sure why that even happened, but I changed the paper and it was going crazy. Like, it wouldn't print anything. But when you change the paper, you do have to do a recalibration thing. You just press the circle, the power button on the printer to recalibrate it to the labels, because it may be thinking that you're using third-party labels or what have you. So once I did that label recalibration, everything went back to normal. It stopped on the edge of the label and it continued to print as normal. The Rollo printer does have to be connected to your computer or laptop via USB cable. For my Mac users, you all know, if you have the newest Mac models, you don't have that USB port. So what I have, this USB to USB-C connector for my MacBook. I brought it because I needed it for external hard drive. So if you don't have this, you want to get this if you are thinking about getting this Rollo printer, if you are a MacBook user. Once you do connect it via the USB-C adapter, you can wirelessly share the computer on your network, so that way you can print wirelessly. So how you do that is you have to go to your system preferences on Mac. You go to sharing. Once you go to sharing, you click printer sharing, and then you click the printer that you want to share over your network. And then you choose the users that you want to have access to that. So once you do that, then you can wirelessly print with the Rollo printer on your network. And again, this is only if you have a MacBook. Windows users, I'm not sure if you could do the wireless printing. I know you all do have the USB connector port, so that may not be an issue with you all. But overall, I really do love this Rollo printer. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all like the information that I shared. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below, as you all know. And of course, subscribe, like, check out my other videos, and I will see you all soon. Bye.